How to stop being boring. 12 excellent tips. Have you ever been called a boring person? Or have you ever encountered someone who is incredibly uninteresting? To be honest, nobody likes being around boring people. In this video, you will learn the most entertaining approaches to stop being a boring and make a favorable impression on someone when you meet them for the first time. Before we start, if you don't want to miss out my latest video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell too. 1. Take control of the conversation. By taking the lead in the conversation, you can make yourself more engaging and completely prevent boredom. You should talk about topics that most people are interested in. You will undoubtedly make a good impression and avoid boring people by doing this. But be careful of your language and limit your speech. 2. Don't use phones in social gatherings. If you are continually checking your phone for emails and texts, you won't come across as a very intriguing person. Yes, it's important to stay up to date, but while you're at a party or event, try to put your attention away from your phone, and instead pay attention to the people around you. This will make you look like a less disrespectful and a more approachable person. In addition, talking to those around you can help break the discomfort, and give them an opportunity to get to know you better. 3. Don't be shy. Shy people are often considered boring, and we are sure you want to avoid that, if you want to come across as interesting and fun-loving. So remember to be more charismatic. Also keep in mind that you won't see these people again. This will encourage you to be a more engaging and energetic person. 4. Stop wasting time on things that don't matter. Avoiding time wasting altogether is one of the best strategies to quit becoming boring. Don't watch too much TV or spend too much time online. It not only takes up space in your head, but it also dominates your thoughts. These things make you less carefree, and stop you from being what you can actually become. So in order to become less boring, stop doing any of those things that are way too time and effort consuming. 5. Don't wait for the perfect moment. If you are hoping to speak to people when the time is right, you are doing it completely wrong. The wisest thing you could do is make the most of the time you already have. 6. Learn to be attractive with the words you use. With the words you're already using, you can learn to be a much more attractive person when speaking to someone. Make sure you ask questions that are important. And show some interest in what they have to say when they are expressing their ideas. Not only that, you need to show that you are engaged in the conversation, so don't forget to look into their eyes. When they say something nice, smile a little. Lean forward gently and use facial expressions to show that you care. 7. Improve body language. If you didn't know that improving your body language could help you, you'll be surprised at how many people will be drawn to you. Because of how you respond to their words, everyone will love you and find you less boring. Do not cross or akimbo your hands. When they are saying something, tell them to keep going. This will help you understand the conversation better. 8. Work some more on your fun qualities. When we advise you to improve on your fun qualities, we are basically hoping that you will learn to become a more confident person. Before you try to become a fun person, tell yourself that you are already one. Just remember that you can, and you will succeed. Learn to let go of negative thoughts, and focus on the positive. Make a list of your successes and failures to boost your self-esteem, and remind yourself to maximize your time, and have more fun. 9. Try to be open-minded. When you stop being narrow-minded, life automatically becomes far more interesting. Always be willing to try new things. If you have a friend who enjoys going to the opera, but you don't, go along with them anyway. It will help you learn something new, while also improving your friendship with them. Also, remember that everyone has a different opinion. You can still be best friends with someone even if you disagree, or have opposing views on topics such as religion, politics and so on. And don't forget to look for things you have in common. 10. Smile, laugh, and say a few jokes. Smiling, Laughing and cracking a few jokes will not only relieve tension, but will also prevent you from becoming boring. Even if you don't feel like smiling sometimes, you should. This will give you a positive and friendly vibe. But don't overdo it, or you will come across as an annoying person. And when it comes to cracking jokes, make sure you say something funny when the time is right. 11. Always be ready to explore. Explore new places and tell your friends about them. Have a good understanding of your surroundings. Learn about the best restaurants and eating spots in town. People love to eat. So when you find a good place to dine, tell all your friends about it and be there. If possible, learn a new skill. For example, go read some poetry. Learn some cooking and so on. It will help you to become a more interesting and enthusiastic person. 12. Know what's popular. To grab attention and be less boring, you have to know what's popular. Also, read the room carefully before you say something. Do not criticize way too much. Understand your point of view and express it appropriately. You don't want to turn anybody off. No matter what, make sure you are having fun in life. Because when you are enjoying, people around you will begin to enjoy as well. Also, respect people and treat them how they should be. Show some interest in them, and they will definitely show some in you. This may be difficult at first if you are a very reserved person. But you can definitely improve with a little effort. So, here's hoping that you learn to change yourself and transform into a fun-loving and enthusiastic person very soon. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode.